Hi friends. Today I'm gonna be doing a little empty house tour. So technically speaking, we don't own the house yet, all right? We close tomorrow. We're signing off on everything tomorrow at 3 p.m. But perfect time to do a little walkthrough. Let me take you through my crib. That was corny, I'm sorry. I've always wanted to say welcome to my crib. So yeah. So I'm in the foyer, the foyer, whatever. This is that door, and we step right in, and to my left we have like this little area for I don't know what, but it's cute. There's a little window there. Then we have the stairs to go up to the second floor. This woodwork is natural to the build of the house. It was dusty. But this house was built in 1910. I mean, we kind of like the stairs. It's definitely old school, but it has character. This little wood pattern, so cute. Then we have like this little indoor sunroom. Again, not showing the outside because of safety reasons. Don't want y'all figuring out where it lives. Then cute French doors walking through, and this is gonna be the living room. You probably hear Shati come in from the attic. He was taking a few measurements. But yeah, this is the living room. We're probably gonna have the TV like on this side. This chandelier will be the first thing to go because I don't like the idea of having my hair cut on this little thing. Then walking over, this is gonna be the dining room, which I really love the fireplace. Definitely enough room to have like a table, I guess this way or this way, I don't know yet, but we'll figure it out. There's this massive ugly vent because again, the house was built in 1910, so that's pretty regular. Got a ceiling fan basically in every room, which I kind of hate ceiling fans, but we'll deal with that later. This is a close-up of the fireplace. I think it's like very similar to the wood on the stairs. Obviously this was already part of the house. We plan on painting this black and just making it a little more modern and up to date. Then this area right here, I mean, there's no defining factor here, so I can just show you the window. But yeah, this is kind of like the official dining room. We'll be using this as kind of like a chill spot where we'll have like the bar and like maybe like a little seating area or like a table, something casual where people can just sit, have a drink. So first bathroom. Oh, by the way, we definitely hate the bathrooms here, so that's definitely a long-term plan of ours to renovate both bathrooms. But we have a standing shower. And then I plan on buying like a cabinet to put in that space. Obviously, un toile. Hate this little mirror. Hey, hello. But yeah, it's the first bathroom. Not too much to say about it. I think I like this bathroom better than the one upstairs, which you'll see. Next, we have the kitchen. Look at this little tiny sink. Like, I would love a deeper sink, but I'm being nitpicky. We got like these fake marble countertops. They kind of look cheapy choppy in my opinion, but it's cool. It's cool. Honestly, like he could have done a little better with the countertops. Like, why did he choose these? But whatever. We got a house, Janibell. Just be grateful. But yeah, that's definitely one of the things that I would change personally. I haven't talked to Shati about it yet, but yeah, these little fake countertops, fake marble, faux marble. Una botella de cloro, because they were cleaning. It smelled like straight ammonia once we came in here. We don't have a lot of cabinet space, so we'll probably, you know, either buy some more cabinets or like buy like a little island to go in the middle. So obviously the stove would go here, and then the fridge would go here. Next we have the little laundry room. Windows are boarded up because they had painted the house. And obviously we don't want our shit burglarized before we move in. Got the little hookups. We had measured this area earlier to see if we can fit a washer and dryer, you know, just next to each other instead of having to hook up the dryer over here somehow. This is the cute little laundry room. I don't know what else would go in there, but All right, let's go upstairs. Nice window over here. Oh, these stairs finna make me work out. Cool. So first door coming up the stairs is the door to the attic. We not going to the attic. It's a mess up there and we don't plan on using it for a while. So this is the first room on the left. This is gonna be probably the guest room. It's really cute. Just one little closet. And yeah, this is the first bedroom. Then we have the second bathroom, which is the bane of my existence. I hate this bathroom. Not only, like, first of all, look at the tile. It looks like a bathroom at a dorm, like on campus or some shit. Hi again, I'm getting hot. Like, a bitch is glistening right now. But yeah, there's this gross little sink, this gross little medicine cabinet, toilet. My main gripe is just it's not clean. So once we get in there and clean between the tiles and all that, maybe it'll look better. But yeah, enough of that bathroom. We have this linen closet, which I find to be very roomy. I don't know if it'll hold all of my hair products and skincare and all that, but it'll be good for linens, for curtains, and just towels. Okay, so bedroom number 2. This is probably the darkest bedroom of all of them. It's a little bigger than the other one, I think. This one definitely has a bigger closet. I don't know why I keep saying closet like that. Closet. Then third bedroom. Okay, this is the third bedroom. This is the bedroom that we plan on making our master bedroom. It's not the biggest room, to be honest. Like, I hate that the door swings into the room, because if we want a king bed, like, how is that gonna work with this door swinging this way? So we'd probably pay to have the door swinging from the opposite direction, or have it swing outward. That way it's not taking up any space in the bedroom. But yeah, I love how much light comes in here. There's 2 windows, so this is just gonna be a bedroom with a few little things. Just sleep in here or whatever and call it a day. This is the room next to the bedroom. I feel like it's one of the bigger rooms too. Shotzi has a thing about sleeping in a room that faces like the window out into the street, because you know, you never know. So yeah, it's gonna be our closet. Then this is the last room. This was mad rooms. This is gonna be the closet. Like, that's the original plan. That's gonna be my office, the room we just saw, and then this is gonna be the closet. But I don't know, I might switch it just because like the window is really cute in here. We'll see. The lighting is really nice, so we'll see what happens. But that was the last bedroom. We're gonna go down the stairs now. This is the first staircase. And then we're back at the front of the house. And that's it, you guys. Thank you. Ooh. My baby hair is like lifting. It's fucking hot. Like, there's a little extra glow because I'm a sweaty bitch. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe this house will be officially ours tomorrow. And yeah, it's been so hard keeping the secret from everyone on Instagram and on here. This has been taking up months and months, and I plan on doing a little Q&A talking about how difficult and drawn out this process was. But I hope you guys enjoyed my empty house tour. I can't believe we're gonna be homeowners. Okay, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly videos. And if you have any house content that you wanna see from your girl, then let me know. Leave it in the comments. But thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.